All the mini blinds in here are gonna have to be wiped down too, and I'll probably end up spraying them with this stuff, you know, afterwards. What else did I get? I got some scouring sticks, the Pummy scouring sticks, heavy duty, because you know what? I'm gonna clean the toilets and the porcelain sinks because there's probably smoke inside those pores as well. I don't know for sure, but I might as well be safe rather than sorry, right? What else did I find here at Home Depot? Here's some stuff. Natural Magic odor absorbing gel. You take this off and you peel this back and there's all kinds of holes on top of here. And this stuff is like a citrusy smell. And it says eliminates odors, lasts up to 90 days, non-toxic. You just leave this in a corner. It's up to 400 square feet, and this condo's over 800 square feet. So I'm gonna put 2 of those out to get the immediate smell, but this is not gonna eradicate the whole issue. You know what I mean? It's just not going to. But I wanna do some stuff, immediate stuff. Here, I got some Zep Smoke Odor Eliminator. Fresh, clean scent, neutralizes cigarettes, pet, garbage, and bathroom odors. I'm gonna try spraying that around. But don't kid yourself. If you just use this stuff right here, I don't think that's gonna do it for you. I think that might do, like if somebody was smoking for 1 day or something like that. Yeah, maybe so. Whoa, almost tripped over it. Here's something else that I'm gonna try. I have this plugged in. You get different little scent things. You've seen them at the stores. You plug that in, turn it on. There's a little light bulb in there, and that heats up this top thing. You can buy different flavors, different scents like that. This heats up, and then it heats this up here. And I've had that going in here for a couple days now. But again, if you think that's going to take all your smoke out, think again. I would still recommend calling and contacting a cleaning company and just have them come over. They'll come over for free. They'll look at it. They'll take some notes and they'll work up a cost for you so that you can see the types of things that you may have missed. You know, you might not have thought of doing all the different things I've already mentioned, and they might say some other things too that I didn't even realize. You know, here's a wall-mounted air conditioner. Now this thing may have to be pulled out. It's an insert, and you pull the cover off and slide the whole insert out. There's a housing in there. So kind of like a window air conditioner. And some of them have a housing where you can pull the whole insert out. You can take it outside. You can spray cleaner on the inside of it and then power wash it off with a hose or you know, spray or something. Okay, now they might say I have to do that too because it's all caught in the fins, and you know what, it probably is going to have to be done that way. And there's a fan back in there, the fan blades and the housing inside, because all your air sucks into your air conditioner and blows back out, and so that whole inside is all stuck with smoke and stuff. You know, if you have a regular air conditioning system, all those ducts may have to be cleaned out. In my case, I got lucky to a certain extent because there's only wall mount air conditioners in here. There's 3 of them. There's one in that room, one here in this bedroom here. Okay, and there's another one in the other bedroom. And so I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. If somebody says, yes, we'll treat those, but we're going to charge you $250 to do that, and if the air conditioner's brand new or $300 or something, $350, you might want to go ahead and buy some new ones and get those installed, let's say. And on the insurance claim, they're going to pay you for $250 for cleaning, and you can use that towards instead of them doing that, you turn that in and then buy air conditioners or something. These air conditioners happen to be almost 8 years old, so if they tell me something like that, you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and replace those. Why clean something and get a warranty on smoke free after that if your unit is in need of replacement anyways. These wall-mounted air conditioners generally only last 5 to 7 years. These are 8 years old. They're about ready to hit the dust anyways. Okay, so all these different things, and there's a guest that's going to be back in here in 2.5 weeks. So I've got my work cut out for me. I've got to get this company over here and figure out what needs to be done. You know what? I want to take you along with me on this little ride on trying to clean this condo, and maybe it'll give you some tips on what to do to your place. If you have a smoker in your rental unit, or if you have a smoker at home and you want to try to get some of the smell out, the different types of things that you might be up against to get rid of that smoke. Here's the one thing I want you to grasp. It might sound kind of corny to have to do all this stuff to get rid of some smoke. You know, the smoke's gone now. What's the big deal? Well, the big deal is, you know what happens with smoke? When you go someplace and it's smoke-filled room, like let's say you go to a casino or something, and when you get back after a couple hours, even your eyes are sore, they're scratchy, and you smell like you just smoked a pack of cigarettes, and you're not even a smoker, let's say. It's all on your clothes and you can't get it off right away because it's the smoke, it's the nicotine that's in with the smoke. It is everywhere now, and it sticks everywhere, and it starts grabbing into pores in the walls, on the carpets, in your furniture, everywhere. And on top of that, I didn't mention before, but you know, the ceilings obviously is going to have to be painted, cleaned and painted too, not just the walls. So there's lots to think about to get rid of this smell. Well, that's all I have time for, but I'll be back with more videos.